The number of people who have died after testing positive for COVID-19 in UK hospitals has risen now. That total stands at 9,875.
Imagine going through this lockdown without any water. Imagine your body feeling dehydrated and weak as you struggle to go throughout the day with no water. Imagine you see your children and loved ones experiencing the same thirst and dehydration that you feel, yet there is nothing that you can do. Sadly, this is a situation that many people find themselves in many parts of the world, and due to water contamination, when they have access to no clean drinking water, thousands die. We are giving you all an amazing opportunity in this blessed month of Ramadan as we all come to terms with this lockdown. Imagine how thousands of people feel across the world who have access to no water. One Ummah has launched the COVID-19 H2O Global Water Lockdown Project. We want you and your families to help us in providing water wells to countless people across different parts of the world. We are looking for families to raise funds for one water well each, which is going to be providing 800 people in many parts of the world access to clean drinking water. So don't delay. Follow the link below. We will launch your Just Giving page, make the whole process so simple for you. All you need to do is share the link with your friends, your family, your contacts, and raise the funds. Once you raise the funds, we will send you a special video message showing the plaque and your name on each well that you raise funds for. So what are you waiting for? Help us and be of those who help the poor and the destitute with One Ummah's COVID-19 H2O Global Water Lockdown Project.